Hello, Namaste, and welcome to my channel, The Healing Goddess. Today's reading is about loving messages from Archangel Raphael. As you know, Archangel Raphael is related to healing, and he is also known as the one who heals. So, if you need healing in your life, or if you are beginning a healing career, one should always pray to Archangel Raphael for guidance, and he will heal and transmute your life in unexpected ways. One should not tell Archangel Raphael how to heal. One should just pray and wait for Archangel Raphael to heal the situation with love. So, for today's reading, all you need to do is take a few deep breaths and select a number between 1 and 3. After selecting your number, you can go to the timestamps which are given in the description box and comment section below and click on the selected group to view your reading directly. You can select your group starting now. I hope you have selected your group. I'm so excited for this reading, so let's begin. If you chose group 1, let's see what loving messages and healing messages Archangel Raphael has for you. I will be shuffling live. Archangel Raphael, please help group 1 with your messages. What messages do you have for group 1? Please help group 1. Avoid allergens. Improving health. Laughter is the best medicine. Oops, you have 5 cards here. Easy does it and home help. So the first card here talks about avoiding allergens. It says, Dear Archangel Raphael, please assist me in identifying and avoiding allergens that may be toxic to my health and happiness. Help me to only crave healthful foods and beverages. And this card is coupled with the improving health card, which also confirms that you need to pay attention to your diet, what you eat, because there could be some kind of excess or imbalance in your diet which is causing you stress or which is not benefiting you in terms of health. So to improve your health, you need to pay attention to your diet and make it your first priority. And lately you could be feeling the urge to make such healthful changes in your lifestyle, in your diet. So be assured that Archangel Raphael is holding your hand tightly in this and he's guiding you towards a better life path. The improving health card says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for your comforting reassurance about this situation. So you've also got messages from Archangel Raphael and from your intuition that there's nothing to worry about on a broader sense, but right now you need to avoid certain things, certain allergens. You need to analyze what kind of items in your diet are causing you some kind of allergy, or what is it that you can eliminate or reduce from your diet which will help you in weight loss, in better health, in getting a smooth and glowing skin. This could also be talking about improving blood circulation in your skin and your body. So you could go outside, you could go for long walks, you could spend some time in nature, breathe as much oxygen as you can, and pay attention to your own body. In simple terms, these cards are talking about self-care. So you could also go for certain treatments on your skin like facials and oxygen-inducing treatments which will help you in maintaining a healthy body. The Easy Does It card says, Dear Archangel Raphael, please help me detach, retreat, and let go so that healing can occur. So this card says that there could be a lot of drama that could be happening around you, a lot of tensions and stress which are reducing your physical energy and also mental energy. So you need to take the easy path, just like Archangel Raphael is holding a small baby in his arms and that baby is resting peacefully. Similarly, Archangel Raphael is trying to nurture your mind, body and spirit so that you can rest and rejuvenate. Right now, your number one priority should be your own self. So, in order to enjoy a better and peaceful life, you need to take proper diet, sleep for more hours and pay proper attention to hydration as well. And sometimes the easiest path is to detach yourself from your life for some time, go on a retreat, have a vacation mindset, If possible, you can also go for a vacation. If not, at least you can detach yourself from your present circumstances and look at life from a third person's point of view. Or you can meditate. Meditation will bring a lot of answers for you, and this simple technique will be very, very beneficial for you. Laughter is the best medicine card says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for reminding me to detach and find the humor and irony within every human drama. So, both these cards talk about detaching, so it's very, very important for you to not play the role of a peacemaker in your home or in your life. If there are people who are not ready to maintain cordial relationships, it's not fully your responsibility to get them together, or it's not fully your responsibility to make things better in everyone's life. You need to make yourself a priority right now and pay attention to your own self. Enough of giving so much to others. Now it's time to give all that love to your own self and start with self love. It could be very difficult for you to laugh or smile right now, but Archangel Raphael is urging you, is encouraging you to smile. Look at yourself in the mirror and smile. Say those loving words. Say, I love you. However you are, in whichever condition you are, I still love you. Try to detach and see the irony and drama in the present situation, and then you will know things are not as bad as you had imagined. Give things time. Time heals everything. But right now, do not stress upon this situation. Ultimately, we have the home help card. It says, Dear God and Archangel Raphael, thank you for giving me the courage to ask for and accept help from you, the angels, and others in matters regarding my family and home. So, again, if there are issues regarding your family and home, do not try to be the peacemaker or try to make things better. Leave it to God. This situation will be healed. Trust God, trust the universe, and also trust yourself. You could have been praying from a long time and you are beginning to see the results, but still, the kind of life that you want to live is far from what your present circumstances are. Still, there is progress, and you should express gratitude for that. Even if the progress is slow and you can't see the results yet, doesn't mean there is no progress. Progress is occurring, healing is occurring. So, have patience, and in the meantime, indulge in self care treatments and self love. Your home and family situations are improving, and from now on, they will only continue to improve. You do not have to be the warrior. Archangel Raphael is the warrior here, and he is protecting you, guiding you, and also healing you along your path in every step of your way. So have faith, make your life easy, live the simplistic way. You can also declutter your home. If there are some items which are not necessary, you can donate them, you can gift it to someone who is needy, or you can resell those items. So right now, you need to rest and rejuvenate before you take those next big steps towards your better life and a new cycle. That's it from my side. If you like this reading, please do hit the like button. Comment what resonated. Please do share my videos with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and bye-bye. If you chose group 2, let's see what loving and healing messages Archangel Raphael has for you. I will be shuffling live and taking out 5 cards for you. Archangel Raphael, please help group 2. Home help, just like group 1. Do more research. Unconditional joy. Listen to intuitive feelings. One more card, please. I'll take this one. Laughter is the best medicine. So your cards are very similar to group 1. You have the home help card which says, Dear God and Archangel Raphael, thank you for giving me the courage to ask for and accept help from you, the angels, and others in matters regarding my family and home. So the condition in your home and family is improving. It could also mean that you need a third person's help in this regard. That is, you can hire some help, a babysitter, a caretaker. You can hire someone who can help you while you work on your projects or while you concentrate on other areas of your life. Do more research card says, Dear God and Archangel Raphael, thank you for clearly and gently leading me to the information that I need to know for my well-being. Please give me the courage to be assertive as I take charge of my health care needs. So it's always suggested to take a few other opinions, like a second or a third opinion, when you're researching about something, especially when it is related to some health condition. You need to do proper research on that and then take the proper steps. And it's also suggested that you be open to various alternative treatment methods. This card also says not to be passive, instead to listen to the divine whispers within your thoughts and feelings, which are the voices of God and Archangel Raphael, and they are guiding your steps in the healing process. This card also says to trust your feelings and know that you have rights and options. You can read the latest studies about this condition or this specific health issue. You can speak up and ask your healthcare provider some questions and ultimately look for an alternative healer or healthcare facility. So basically, do whatever suits you. If you are consulting someone and you are not fully convinced, you can always change that person. You can always go for some other treatment method or some other facility. You always have the choice. You are not bound by anyone or anything. The unconditional joy card says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for helping me appreciate everything that makes me happy right now. So Archangel Raphael has given you a different and new perspective to looking at life, and you are now looking at life in a very different way. You are appreciating the abundance that you are surrounded with. You are appreciating nature and how beautifully the nature works, how beautifully we all are connected. Nature has abundance of everything. It never fails to provide. And similarly, you can ask for joy and happiness from nature and from the universe because there is plenty for everyone. There is unconditional joy available. If you have pets, you can spend time with them. You are also encouraged to spend more time with your family, friends, children, and relatives. Do whatever makes you happy and concentrate on yourself right now. Listen to your intuitive feelings card also confirms the prophecy of do more research card because this says, Dear higher self, thank you for speaking loudly and clearly in peaceful ways that I easily understand. Archangel Raphael, thank you for guiding me to listen to my inner wisdom. So if you had been doubting yourself or if you found yourself in confusion and not knowing how to solve this and where to go, then Archangel Raphael has been guiding you for some time now and making your thoughts more clearer, and he's helping you in seeing things clearly, in deciding better, and also in trusting your intuitive feelings. This card also says that if you're getting a feeling or thought about making a healthcare change, then trust this message. This message is coming from your intuition. Your intuition is guiding you, and this is a direct message from Archangel Raphael. So do not ignore it. Do not feel that you are overthinking things. Your feelings and emotions are guiding you to the right path. If you are a healer or trying to begin a healthcare business or practice, then this is a very good omen for you. This card also says that before doing anything, it's always better to consult your intuition, especially in health related matters. Also, this card says that if you feel something, you always have the right to express your opinion and you do not have to justify yourself to anyone. If you are feeling something, then that's your intuition speaking to you. And this card also says and encourages you to work only with people who appreciate and respect your feelings, not those who question your feelings with logic, because intuition cannot be ruled out with logic. Ultimately, you have the laughter is the best medicine card. It says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for reminding me to detach and find the humor and irony within every human drama. So if you've been trying to convince people about something and people are not listening to you and even you are becoming more and more confused, then detach from the situation, go on a retreat, take some time out, step back and assess your situation. Are you really overthinking or are you actually being guided to the right path and to the right person? See how you can improve the situation, but do not try to force anything. Trust that Archangel Raphael has been guiding you and will guide you in the future as well. He will make everything right and proper. All you need to do is concentrate on yourself right now. Experience unconditional joy. Both these cards encourage you to find joy in everyday life, to detach yourself and find the humor and irony in everything that you do. This way, you will be able to improve your health and also reduce your stress levels. And with time, things will become better. And since you've got the home help card, this says that your home and family situation is already improving and you will soon see that your energy levels are also increasing. The joy that you experience in your life will help you heal your heart chakra, and Archangel Raphael is always ready to help you. All you need to do is ask for help and he will be giving you messages instantly on what to do and where to go. Also, we can see dove in both these cards and pets and animals in this card, which says that it will be very much beneficial for you if you could spend some time with pets, with animals in nature, and also you can help people and animals right now who could be in need, and all they need is love. So spread joy and all the unconditional love that you have in your heart. If you show that love, if you express that love towards animals, your bond with animals increases and they will also heal you. That's it from my side. If you like this reading, please do hit the like button, comment what resonated, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and bye bye. If you chose group 3, let's see what loving and healing messages Archangel Raphael has for you. I will be shuffling live. Archangel Raphael, please help group 3. Please guide them. Please guide group 3. Recovery. Do more research, divine intervention. Two more cards. Archangel Raphael, please help group 3. Listen to your intuitive feelings. And inner authority. The recovery card says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for holding my hand throughout my recovery upon the path of radiant health. So Archangel Raphael has helped you heal emotionally or physically from a condition, and it could also be that you've experienced some heartbreak, betrayal, or some backstabbing or any kind of criticism in your past or in your recent past, and Archangel Raphael has helped you immensely in healing your heart chakra. This card is confirmed by the Divine Intervention card. It says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for being with me and for helping me. I have faith in divine intervention and I fully accept your guidance now. So, you've experienced divine intervention because you've been praying for a very long time and you know in your heart that your prayers have been answered. The angels are working behind the scenes to bring miracles in your life. And just like this person is in the hospital, some kind of operation is going on, and you can see Archangel Raphael looking after you, guiding you and protecting you. So you have experienced divine intervention in your life and you know that from now on everything will happen for the best and you can expect miracles. Also, the angels are with the person for whom you are praying. So if in your life there is someone who is trying to recover from some disease or some kind of operation and you've been praying for that person, so Archangel Raphael is assuring you that Archangel Raphael is with that person, always protecting, guiding and healing that person in a speedy recovery. You should notice the signs and your intuition, the messages, the intuitive messages that you are getting, as this is the divine guidance which is giving you a roadmap to your answered prayers. So if you do not know how to go about it, then you can do more research and just listen to your intuitive feelings. Also have patience with the process of divine timing because you already have divine intervention in your life. So things will now begin to quickly move forward positively. But also we should remember that things happen in their own divine timing and we should be patient. All you need to do is have trust and faith. And if you look, you will find the hidden blessing within every situation. Also, if you are inquiring about your health issue, such as an addiction, so this card encourages you to enter a recovery program and hold only positive thoughts about recovering from the situation. Do not let fear or doubt distract you from your mission, and your mission is your recovery mission. It could also be that you are supposed to now help people because looking at the cards, I come to know that you could be a healer yourself and your life purpose involves sobriety recovery work. So you are to help people in becoming sober and getting back on track in their life. In some cases, recovery can also mean finding something that you've lost, such as confidence or self-esteem. Basically, it will help you in becoming a new you. This brings good news that Archangel Raphael is helping renew each and every cell in your body. You will soon find yourself becoming a better and a new person. So do not worry because everything is going to be okay in the end. The Inner Authority card says, Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for supporting me as I take back my power and listen to my intuition, desires and feelings. So listen to your intuitive feelings and listen to my intuition and desires and feelings. Both these cards are connected, and this card encourages you to take back your power and take charge of your own life. If you feel something, if you have certain emotions and intuitive feelings, rest assured that you are being guided. You do not have to prove yourself to anyone. You do not have to justify yourself. You do not have to use logic. or blame yourself that you are overthinking or overanalyzing things, because these messages are directly coming from the universe, from Archangel Raphael. So if you are being guided towards a better path, towards a better person, and you are being guided to do more research, then trust yourself, trust your feelings, and go forward with that path. All you need to do is speak up, express your opinions, question the healthcare professionals involved, and if you are not convinced, change the healthcare professional or change the healthcare facility. Both these cards talk about taking a second or a third opinion. So, if you are not convinced, or if you feel the need for another person's guidance or advice, you can always consult people, friends, and family, or who are professionals in that field and area. You need to assert yourself, take a forcefully confident stance in your life, and give yourself permission to do what you want. And finally, make the life change that you've been dreaming about. So, overall, take back your power, listen to your intuition, take the steps you are being guided to take, do more research, be fully confident, and take a confident stance in your life. And once you are very clear about what you want and which path you want to take, others will listen to you and respect your choices. So, do not worry, as you are already on your way to recovery, or you could have recovered by now, and only expect miracles, because divine intervention has taken place in your life and you are fully protected and guided. So that's it from my side. If you like this reading, please do hit the like button, comment what resonated, please do subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and bye bye.